This video will be covering searching cases by party name, meaning you know the name of the case. You know the parties that were involved in the case, in the decision. We're going to start first with the main search box. And I want to find the landmark case of Brown versus the Board of Education. I'm going to start typing Brown. And as I'm typing, the system will be giving me some suggestions, what we like to call preemptive language. It's trying to help you out. You will see we have some documents, some cases. I'm going to click on Brown versus the Board of Education. And this would take me to that landmark decision. I'm going to go back to my default page. If I start typing in Plessy for Plessy v. Ferguson, once again, the system will be trying to help me by giving me some suggestions, preemptive language. I'm going to click on that Plessy v. Ferguson. And the system would take me to this landmark decision, this landmark case. There will be times where you want to find a case that involves a particular individual or maybe a company. To do that, simply click on Legal. Content type, we're going to click on Cases. What we're going to do is we're going to conduct what we like to call a segment search, field search, where the system will be searching a certain part of the case, the decision. Party name, the parties that were involved in that case, that decision. So I want to find cases that involves Southwest Airlines. So in quotation marks, I'm going to type my Southwest Airlines because I wanted to find that exact phrase. And even though I'm typing Southwest Airlines in this box, party name box, the system is putting the search in the main search box with the appropriate field segment. I'm going to click on my search. And now the system will go out and find all of those cases, decisions that involves Southwest Airlines. So it's looking in the name of the case, the decision. Now, what I did was I searched all jurisdiction. So if I wanted to find cases that involve Southwest was one of the named parties in a particular jurisdiction or court. Over here to the left side, I have my post-search filtering options. So I'm going to click on court, and this will give me a breakdown of all the different jurisdictions, cases from the different jurisdictions that the system retrieved and how many. So if I only want to see those cases that involve Southwest Airlines from the 7th Circuit, I can just simply click on 7th Circuit. And now I have only those cases that mentions Southwest Airlines in the name from the 7th Circuit.